Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 27, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Second row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these 3 cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 2, 6. Column H, column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. First grid. So we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 6. 7th grade, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 5, 7. 6th row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 9. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column I, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. Column H, column I, also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 7. 8th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 7. Column H also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, 7th row, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column G, column E, 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 1 and 9. Column I, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.